All right, so let's proceed. So we will do this. Let's start with this side here. So the section really shows how to import the data. There is an activity we have to perform. So it says we have to create a data set collection. We need to do that. So we will do that first. So when we are here, we will create a data set collection that combines all of these files, the count data, not this one. Number 8 is not parts from 1 to 7. So come to this side where you have this check. Click it, then you have this coming up. So here select just the count data. Okay, there are 7 of them. Okay, this one is not parts, just these ones. All right, and after that, come to this side. So you see 7 of 8 selected. So there's a small arrow here, click it, and then come to build data set list. So click it, and then you have this coming up. So here, come to this side, enter a name for your new collection. So give it a name. I will say counts. You can use any name of your choice. That's also fine. So that one, it depends on what you want. So this is it. So counts, and then click on create collection. All right. So click create collection, and then you will have everything here. So when you click this one, you find the files. Okay. So that's what we need to do. Now let's proceed. So after doing this, we can start with the SIG2. So scroll down and then get to this section. So everything here, I've already done it. Okay, everything here. So we don't need to do it. So I've already done it, and that is why we have this file, the design underscore tax.tsv. All right, so we will skip that part. So we'll move straight to the SIG2. That's what we have here. So let's start.